Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a gift message blog in your Shopify checkout page. You might have seen some gift message blog like this in many Shopify stores. So on clicking add a gift message, you will be having a text field to add the gift message. So similar kind of blog you can create in your store too. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using checkout extension in app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out and follow along with me. So after your installation, go to the admin panel and click on Checkout Ninja app. A quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members, and go to the blog section and click on create new blog. There will be some default templates showing up here. You can go through this and choose any blocks if you want, otherwise close it and click on add blog. You have to search for the gift message blog particularly and click on add to checkout. First thing, we have to give a blog name. Let's give a gift message blog as the blog name, because we can easily identify this from our list of rules. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this and click on add new visibility condition. So what happens then is, like, this block will be available only when this particular condition is met. There are multiple gi- conditions showing up in the list, so you can just go through these and choose if you want. And if you want the blocks to be appear always at the checkout page, then you can just disable this and click on gift message. Now the title is gift message. You can just change it to something else. I am choosing the same, and you can also have some description in this field. And the button text you can customize, or you can have any button text as your wish. And text area placeholder, you can go with anything, and you can set up the maximum characters and if it is a required field or not. And you can also store the value to any attribute value. I'm just giving a attribute value of gift as my, like, a attribute value. Yeah, this is done. So yeah, the setup is done. Let's save it. So before saving, make sure that the status is active. After saving, I'll be getting some block ID from here. So just copy this block ID and click on open checkout editor page. Now we have to add the custom block to the checkout. So we have to paste the ID which we have copied earlier to this field. So you can see the custom block has been created here. So go to the app section and you can just drag this block to anywhere else. Let's go with the shipping area. So yeah, you can see the block has been created here. Let's save it. Now let's test this up in our online store, how it looks like in our checkout page. Let's land on the checkout page. Now you can see the message blog has been created here. On clicking add a gift message, we have seen the placeholder text area like this with message, gift message, and the button text add message, and two messages as the one is the add message and the cancel. So that's how you can create a gift message blog in your Shopify checkout page very easily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.